if you want to reset the tire pressure warning here on your 2021 Volvo XC60 tire, well, there are a few things that you need to do. So first is first, you want to check and adjust the tire pressures. Now, park the car safely first, then inflate each tire. And also the spare one if you have one, to the pressure specified on the sticker at the driver's side door jab. Now, ensuring they're in the correct pressure. Now, on the center display, you want to go and just go to your car status, go to tire pressure monitoring system or TPMS. And once you are in the TPMS menu, tap the option labeled store pressure or calibrate depending on region to record the current inflation as the new reference for the system. Now, after storing the pressure, you'll need to drive at least like 22 mph or 35 kilometers per hour, so the system can collect data and confirm the new inflation state. Now, once enough data is gathered, the warning light should go off. Now, if the light does stay on, you may need to double check oil pressure again. Make sure you've completed the store pressure step properly and drive again. Now, if it still persists, there might be a TPMS sensor fault or another issue with the monitoring system. So you may want to have this checked out. But that's about it. So hopefully this video is able to help you like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.